Hello guys, welcome to the vlog. I'm just messing with IGTV. Try to see if I can post a vertical video. And I'm just gonna warm up the RX7. It's been like 2 weeks that I don't turn on. But before that, I want to say thank you. I really appreciate, humble for all the support, likes, comments. In less than 3 days, I think I'm almost hitting 300 views, and I don't think it's a record or something like that, but for me it's really important. Really appreciate your help. It will help me promote the channel. Let's do this.